Everybody, how are you? Today we'll solve example talk about integration. About this function x power 2 plus 2 over x power 2 plus 1 dx. First step, we can write 2 equivalent to 1 plus 1. You can write here equivalent to integration of x power 2 plus 1 plus 1. Right, number 2 equivalent to 1 plus 1 over x power 2 plus 1 dx. Next step, you can divide it. This integration here equivalent to first and second integration. The first, we can write x power 2 plus 1, choose this, brackets up, write x power 2 plus 1 over denominator x power 2 plus 1. And second, write 1 over x power 2 plus 1. Next, we can find the integration about this function here, numerator like numerator, the result will be 1 here. E2 integration about 1 over x power 2 plus 1 dx. So the integration here will be 1. This function we have 1 over x power 2 plus 1. We called it tan power 2 or tan x, tan power negative 1 of x plus constant. Okay. 1 over x power 2 plus 1. Integration about this function will be tan power negative 1, the inverse of tan, function of tan of x. Okay. Plus constant. What about this question? We won't find derivative of this function. We can write e power x power 2 product by derivative of the power. The derivative of the power it will be 2x. So the derivative of this function will be 2x product by e power x power 2. We will find derivative of the function sine x power 2. We know derivative of sine will be cosine. And derivative of the side here about this angle, we can write 2x. And derivative of sine will be cosine. The angle x power 2 product by derivative about x power 2 equal to x. So the result will be 2x product by cosine x power 2. What about this question? We want derivative about this function here. We want integration about dx over sine product by the angle here was cosine sine x product by cosine power 3x. We can find the integration about this function by put cosine and sine. We can simplify here. Cosine power 3, it's meaning cosine product by itself. Or you can product cosine numerator and numerator. You can simplify with me, think with me here to find the answer. We can write integration about dx. We can product by cosine and derivative divided by cosine to convert sine here to cosine. Okay, so we will product by about this fraction here down. You can write product by cosine x down, and here you can write cosine x. So you product by cosine x and divide cosine x. Because sine over cosine, it will be 10. So you can write here 10x product by cosine power 3 product by cosine power 1 of x, it will be cosine power 4 of x. And you can simplify this also, right? Cosine from denominator to numerator, and the change we know sec is the inverse of cosine. Then you can write here, down here, write tan x dx and write this number, okay, cosine power 4x, right, from denominator to numerator, right? The reciprocal about this will be sec power 4 of x. Now we can simplify also about this information. We know sec power 2 x is equivalent to 1 plus 10 power 2x. 1 plus 10 power 2x, okay? 1 plus 10 power 2x. So the integration here, you can write, I will put I, equivalent to, right, in the numerator down here, replace the sec power 2. Sec power 4, you can write sec power 2 times sec power 2, okay? Then the integration here, you can write sec power 2x product by sec power 2x over the numerator was 10x all dx. We can cancel 6 power 2 and write 1 plus 10 power 2 of x. Okay, then I will be equal, right here, 1 plus 10 power 2x product by sec power 2x over 10x. Okay, this is all dx. Now we can solve the example by put like what, like any symbol like here, function and derivative, because the derivative of 10 power 2 of x equal sec. We know derivative of 10 will be sec. So we can put 10x equal t and sec power 2 x dx equal derivative of the derivative of 10 sec power 2. Then you can write here this function will be equal. We can cancel 10 power 2x, right, t. Then we have 1 plus t power 2 brackets and sec power 2 dx. Okay, right, dt. Okay, right, derivative of t over numerator 10x equal t. And then you can simplest divided 1 over t plus, or here dt plus distributive the number t power 2 divided by t equal t integration of t dt. So the answer here will be numerator, the derivative of the numerator will be ln of absolute value of t. And the result will be ln absolute value of t plus derivative of t will be t power 2 divided by 2 plus constant. So the answer here you can cancel. So the integration will be equal by this function, right, ln absolute value of t plus t power 2 over 2 plus constant. You can cancel t and write tan x. Then the last answer here, integration, it will be, right, ln of t was tan x, okay, absolute value plus t power 2 over t power 2 here equal tan power 2x over 2 plus constant. It's the last answer here, okay, tan power 2 x over 2. Okay, understood? Okay, understood. I will prepare the answer here again. Write t equal 10x. You can write 10 power 2 right here, 10 power 2 of x divided by 2. Okay, the answer about this question is the integration. Okay.